Cancer, that feeling you have been carrying about a situation in your life. The one you keep second-guessing. Your gut is right, and today the universe is confirming it. Today is Tuesday, June 16th, 2026. Welcome to Astro Healing. The moon, your ruling planet, is sending you one of the clearest and most powerful intuitive signals of the entire month today. Combined with Tuesday's Mars energy, your emotional intelligence today is not just feeling things. It is seeing them with an accuracy and clarity that is honestly extraordinary for any sign, but particularly powerful for Cancer right now. The things you sense today about people, about situations, about your own path forward, are more accurate than you realize. Trust them completely. In your career, your emotional read of a professional situation today is more accurate than any logic, data, or analysis that anyone around you is working with. If something feels right at work today, move toward it without hesitation. If something feels off, even if you cannot explain why, create some distance from it and trust that feeling. A colleague today may also need your particular gift of empathy. Someone is struggling and hiding it well. You will notice what others miss. Being that perceptive presence for them today will matter more than any professional task on your list. In love, Cancer, today someone in your immediate circle needs you in a way they will not ask for directly. They will not say, "I need help." They will not say, "I am struggling." But you will feel it. The particular quiet that means something is heavy, the particular way they avoid something that matters. See them today. Reach out. Say something simple and true. That act of seeing someone who does not feel seen is one of the most profound things a human being can do for another. And it is something Cancer does better than any other sign in the entire Zodiac. Financially, a money worry that has been sitting quietly in the back of your mind since last week finds an unexpected resolution today. Not a dramatic one, not a sudden windfall, just a quiet clearing of something that has been occupying space and energy. A bill gets handled, a financial question gets answered, or a conversation resolves something that felt complicated. Let it go completely once it clears. Do not immediately replace it with the next worry. Practice receiving the relief today. For your health today, Cancer, your stomach and your emotional body need the same care simultaneously. Because for your sign, they are the same system. When you carry emotional weight, your digestion suffers. When your gut is unsettled, your emotions follow. Today, eat slowly and with intention. Warm, nourishing food rather than anything rushed or processed. Also take 10 minutes this evening to write down everything you felt today. Not to analyze it, just to release it from your body onto the page. That simple practice will help you sleep better tonight than almost anything else. Your spiritual message for today, Cancer, you carry the emotional world of everyone around you. Today, put some of it down. Not because you do not care, but because you cannot pour from an empty vessel. Fill yourself up today with something that is purely for you. A song, a food, a memory, a moment of quiet. You deserve to be nourished by this world, not only to nourish it. 3 things before you go. Number 1, comment Cancer below and tell me what your gut has been telling you lately that you have been ignoring. I want to hear it. Number 2, hit the like button right now. It takes 1 second and it genuinely helps this channel grow so more people can receive this daily guidance. Number 3, subscribe and turn on the bell. Complete readings every single day for all 12 signs. Tomorrow, Cancer has a powerful message coming that I think you genuinely need to hear. See you tomorrow. Take care.